Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make photos have same length in CapCut PC. Alright, let's get into it. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and we're going to practice how we can make all the photos have same duration. So the first thing we can do is click on the menu option right here, then just select settings, and this is the settings menu, and we can click on edit right here. Then we can just set the image duration right here. You can pick the time that you want, and for example I'm going to select 2 seconds like this, and make sure that you set the time duration, the image duration, before you add these photos to your CapCut project right here, because if you have edited your photos the duration will not change. So just click on save after you're done, and let's just drag the photos to our CapCut project or to this timeline, and then just drag like this. Okay, and now the duration of each image is 2 seconds. Okay guys, and that's how we can make photos have same length in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.